Hey my lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is another polygel. Yay! So today's polygel kit is Gellen. I also ordered some Gellen gel polish and some Gellen top and base coat and builder gel in like little tubs. I don't actually use that today, but I thought I'd show you anyway. I'd done swatches off camera of the gel polishes. And I used the top coat out of the pot that was in that little box. But I'll use that another time. So anyhow, but main focus today is the polygel and the gel gel polishes. I spaced then, sorry. So this kit comes with instructions. It comes with jewel forms that also have instructions on the back, which is great. It comes with a top and base coat. The top coat, you do have to wipe the sticky layer away. It's not a non-wipe, it's a wipe top coat. But they're shiny, you know, and they work great. It comes with a file and a buffer file. They're both 100 to 180 grits, and they're pretty good files, like, I'm not gonna lie. And then it also comes with your spear javelin brush picker tool. One day someone's gonna ask me what the hell I mean by a spear javelin. A javelin spear. So anyway, I just push the packing powder out of the brush and it's ready to go. And then you get 6 polygels in total, and they are 20 grams. Oh, you also get cleansing wipes. You got a couple. I didn't pull them all out because there was no need to pull them all out for you to see, but there was quite a few there, and they were all stuck in the plastic. So yeah, 6 polygels. They come in 20-gram tubes, which I was quite shocked about because usually you get like 15 to 30 grams in these kits, but this one was a 20. So anyway, they all come sealed, which is great. You get a natural pink, a translucent pink, a clear, a light coral, a baby pink, which is the one I use, and a bright white. The baby pink and the natural pink do look very similar in my opinion, but that's just me. I'm terrible at describing colours. And I didn't use the clear today. Like I said, I only used the baby pink, but I do plan on using this clear at some point because I want to see how clear their clear is, because I have not found a clear polygel yet. So there's that coral colour. And this is the one that I used, baby pink. It's a very nice light baby pink. It looks white on the camera, but when it's on my nails, it's pink. It's a baby pink. My daughter's bedroom was this colour. Well, it still is on some walls. So anyway, these are the colours. They are good polygels. So these are the bits that I used. I just size up the jewel forms. These jewel forms are curved to fit my natural nail. I was like, what? They're not square. They also come with a little bit of tape to hold the box together. They come in 10 different sizes. They're a bit shorter than other jewel forms I've used, but I don't mind because, you know, nails are nails. There is a slight curve to one, but they're not that curved on my actual fingers, like, I'll be honest. I'm not mad. I'd say they were pretty much the same as my Neon Savvyland set. So, yeah. Sorry, my son was showing me his car. So make sure that with jewel forms, these fit fine. Like I said, they are rounded at the cuticle area, which is great. Make sure you fit them sidewall to sidewall, obviously. And make sure there's like a little bit of gap in between your natural nail and the jewel form so you can put product in. But yeah, guys, this polygel was great. The only problem, again, which is a lot of polygel kits, it didn't come with any slip solution. So I actually used the base coat as slip solution that worked fine. It actually works better than slip solution, to be fair. But I didn't want to keep these on for too long. So I do put on a peely base coat. Now, at the end, when I'm wiping off the sticky tacky layer, one of them pops off on camera. I left it in. I found it quite funny. But they have all popped off, so I've just glued them back on with some nail glue, because I want to keep them on just for a couple of days, and then I'll be changing them out again for a new video. So I put one layer of peely base coat, waited for it to dry, and then I went in with the actual base coat. But yeah, I like this kit. Like I said, the only thing was it didn't come with slip solution, but I used the base coat. I put the polygel into the jewel form, and then I put a bit of base coat over the top, and then I just moulded it, and it worked fine. And like I said, base coat works better than It's lip solution in my opinion. And I know that's really stupid, but it does. So I put the base coat on and I cured for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. This set, I put this to the side so that I could like clean my brush, because obviously I didn't want it to be gunky with base coat. This set took me 15 minutes to apply in total and cure. Then it took 5 minutes to file. This video was actually quite short. I didn't even like speed it right up because I didn't need to. Like in slow time it was like 25 minutes long, and I think I've had videos like that are sped up and still 25 minutes long, so yeah. But yeah, like I said, this kit was great. I really liked it. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the application. I cured each nail, by the way, for 30 seconds, but you're meant to cure for 60 seconds. Basically what I've done is I just put it on, cured for 30 seconds and went to the next nail, cured for 30 seconds, went to the next nail, and so on and so forth. And then on the very last nail, I did cure for a full 60 seconds, waited for the nails to cool down, and then I popped the dual forms off. I did struggle a little bit because I didn't want the nails to pop off because the peely base coat would have literally made them fling. But they did come off when I was wiping the sticky tacky layer. But anyhow, I'm going to let you guys watch the application and I will be back in a bit. So see you in 2. And I'm back, guys. So you just see me filing. This polygel was really easy to file, by the way. It was what you've seen. I left all the filing in. So this is the 3 pots that I was talking about. One is a top coat, one is a base coat, and one is a clear builder gel. I did use the top coat in this to top coat the swatches. But I didn't use any other ones. Why I'm faffing with it on camera, I don't know. But I will be using these in another video. I just wanted to show you that I did use that top coat. And then these are the gels. These gels aren't like, wow, amazing. I still prefer Beetles, which I'm guessing you're probably sick of because that's all I've been using lately. So we are going with a different gel set. So these are the colours that I swatched. I swatched them just before the video. I done 2 coats of each. They needed 2 coats, and I actually used the glitter and the pink that I'm pointing to now. That cloudiness, by the way, is just acetone. I wiped some acetone. I wiped a little bit off, and with that, yeah. Anyhow, so I go in with 2 coats of each. Oh, excuse me. I go in with 2 coats of each colour, and I alternate between fingers. You'll see now I do 3 pink and 2 glitter. But this pink is a shimmer. It's just the camera's not picking it up so well. These gels are alright. They look very different on the picture, and I'll put that in the video. So as you can see right there, the swatches are very different to real life, to the actual picture, but they're still pretty colours. They seem to look like they'd match better in the pictures on Amazon. I'm still not mad though, because I still like these 2 colours, so you know. But yeah, they're okay. So if you guys want them, don't hesitate to ask down below, and I will be happy to link them to you. But yeah, this is the first coat. I cure for 30 seconds, or was it 60 seconds? I can't quite remember. And then I go in with the second coat and I cure for 60 seconds it was, and then I cure, and then I put the top coat on, cure for 60 seconds again. It's a lot of in out of that lamp. And then I wipe the sticky tacky layer off of the top coat. One of my nail pops off, I glue it back on. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then just stay at the end because I do an outside lighting reveal, because the shimmers in the glitter were really, really, really pretty. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna love and leave you because there's nothing else, I don't think, for me to say. But don't forget, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Keep on smiling and don't forget to stay safe. Bye, guys.
I begin to
for sure.